Triad was formed as a construction demolition debris recycling company. We were the first in the area dedicated to recycling construction materials for Western New York.
Triad intercepts solid waste, construction debris, on its way to the landfill. We also provide zero landfill services for major corporations, where we're able to innovatively recycle materials that would have ended up in the landfill. We're able to provide many services in our innovative business plan that aren't available across the state.
Triad was the first recycling company, along with Guard Contracting, that could provide a single dumpster stream for a construction site to do lead recycling off of a project. So you don't have to have 6 or 8 dumpsters. We bring the dumpster here, we sort it out and to its components and guarantee the customer that we will recycle everything that can be recycled in that load.
So we use our own trucking to take away the distance barrier. So whether it's a county, a university, a corporation, we can provide these services statewide. We're really about keeping stuff out of the landfill, and we're about sharing and trying to make our state better. This entire operation, we try not to accumulate large amounts of material. We have to have a place for it to go. We want to recycle it, get it into that market as quickly as possible. We also work closely with the Department of Environmental Conservation, DEC. So when we have a new material, we figure out how to recycle it safely into a stream that's beneficial for Western New York. A year ago, we put in our first wind turbine, and we were delighted with how much energy was generated, how quiet it is. We got a very, very strong positive from the community and thought, let's put a second one in. There's lots of wind. We have a lot of electric machines we power with wind to recycle materials and divert them from landfill into beneficial uses.
When my partner started with the idea that we could put a windmill up that would completely replace our need to draw electricity off of the grid, I was all for it. The windmills are performing fantastically. Our first windmill had exceeded what we were using every month for 10 months.
Each one is a 100 kilowatt wind turbine made by Northern Power Systems. Right now the plant is using a lot of power, so whatever the turbines generate used to go to power the plant. If they're not using any power, like at night or when they're not running all the equipment, the excess generation goes back into the grid.
Very important to us that we have a sustainable business, and over the long term, this business will continue to grow and support our community. So the wind turbines is a great example where these things will run for decades. So we're investing in our kids and our grandkids by making this business a long-term investment. If you'd like to know how Triad can work more with your organization, you can go to our website, triadrecycle.com, call the number on the screen, 716-553-5512, and we'd be happy to come out, look at your operation, and see how we can help.